Hi, I'm your friends, and let us create such a swinging doll in Filmora. Let us first delete our video and import. A PNG file with the doll. It will be a little bit scarier, but it doesn't matter. And a file with a green screen. Okay, let's drag and drop the green screen first, and drag and drop over it our doll with the horse. And let's do for now the duration something like 12 seconds. It's okay? It can be the same. Okay, so we have our doll, and let us do double left click of your mouse on this image with the doll, and here you can see rotate. Okay, so we will animate this rotation. Let us click on keyframe. Now animation starts. So at the very beginning I want doll to be like that, then I want it to bend forward. So let's say something like after a quarter of time I want the doll to be something like maybe 21 degrees forward. Bend it. Okay, so we see that keyframe is chosen. Then let's go to the middle of our interval and do our rotation back to 0. Keyframe is chosen. Then in 1/4 else, let's do it like -21 to rotate the opposite side back, and then at the very end let us bring it back to 0. If you cannot do it so easy, just click and enter and do it as many degrees you need. I want it to be 0 degrees. Okay, so let's see from the very beginning what happened. I think it's good. And now I want to loop it, so I want to continue for a long time. So I will do copy and paste. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. And I will do the duration of the green screen the same like duration of my clip with the doll. And that's it. We have 57 seconds doll swinging slowly on its horse. If you want it to do it faster, just change the speed of your clip and so on. Now you have just to export it such as you want, to choose where to save to choose the name, and actually I wouldn't change something else, and click export. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!